Hello everyone, you're welcome back once again. My name is Victor Digomore here, and we are still in the topic coordinate geometry. And we've done an introduction, we've taken a question, WAEC examinable question, and we are taking another WAEC examinable question in coordinate geometry. Look at this question that says the equation of the line through the points, 2 points are given here, and they gave the equation of the line. They say find Q, can also be find P, anyone. All right, let's look at it. Let's look at it. Or there can be other questions that can come up from something like this. How do we go about this? How do we go about this? If you look at this equation from, you say from 3y, you started solving this question, you say from 3y equals to px plus q. Okay. Now at this point, this is x and this is y. At this point, y is 2. So I'm going to have, let me put it here so that I can have more space here. This will be 3 times 2 equals to p will now be 4 times p. Then plus q, yeah, plus q. So this is 6 equals to 4p plus q. I can rewrite it as 4p plus q equals to 6. Call it equation 1. Okay. Now let me come back again from here. Let me do it here so that we can have more space here. We can also see that at point -8, -2, at that point, please look at my introduction to coordinate geometry so that when I say point, you can see clearly the picture I am trying to bring up here, so I don't repeat that explanation again. All right, that's the essence of that introductory class. So at that point, this is x, this is y. Okay, so I can go back to the equation and put 3 multiplying -2 is equals to p multiplying -8, then plus q, so that I can have -6 is equal to -8p plus q. Now I can extract these two equations. This one be 2. I can extract them. If my equation 1 is 4p plus q equals to 6, equation 1, and the second equation, let me rearrange it, is -8p plus q is equals to -6, equation 2. So I want to solve these two equations simultaneously because they are equations in two unknown. Do you get? The equations in two unknown. So I want to solve them simultaneously. Now, if I add, no, I am not going to add. Let me eliminate this. And the only way to eliminate this is to subtract 1 and 2. So let me subtract. If I subtract, this minus this will vanish, so that this minus into minus this. Take note of what I'm saying. 4 minus 8p. So 4p. So this is going to become plus here. So we are going to have 12p. This is out already. 0 equals to, this is -6 minus 6. Minus 6. Not -6. This is 6 minus into -6, so that we have 6 plus 6, which is 12. I'm sure that is clear. So if we divide both sides by 12 now, we are going to be having p equals to 12 over 12, which is 1. I hope that is clear. All right. Then I can go back, since the question says find q, or find, sometimes it can even be find 2pq. Anyhow, please, you just open your mind and assimilate the knowledge. All right. If I go back to this equation here, from 4p plus q equals to 6, you realize that since p is 1, I have 4 times 1, which is 4, plus q equals to 6. Do we get? So what is q? Q is 6 minus 4. So q is 2. Q is 2. So you realize that this is the way one can follow, the approach one can follow is resulted to simultaneous equation to solve a problem like this. Please, I'm going to solve more questions. If you like our video, you've said to us, oh wow, you people are doing great. That's just what it means. And then I trust God you are going to subscribe to the channel and then click on the notification button so that all these classes I have here that I'm going to make, and then you will be notified when they are uploaded. Thank you so much for being there.